everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so I did find a couple of new spoilers that are, well, they're actually possible spoilers that might end up in some future boxes, but the source is unknown. Now, I found it on Elizabeth Wolf's channel, and she found it on Instagram, but wherever she found it, they didn't leave a source. So I don't know if these are rumors or these are really going to be spoilers in future boxes. So I can't wait to find out, but I'm still going to show you what I found. So if you're excited about this video, y'all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on those spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from the last video, which was showing a new spoiler for the BoxyLuxe September box, as well as the base and premium spoilers, and also some possible future sneak peeks. Well, thank you so much, Lisa415. Lisa says, hi, Mandy. Happy Friday. Well, hi, Lisa, honey. It's Saturday now, but I hope you're enjoying your weekend, and I really appreciate you having your bell on and always coming and watching my videos. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that time, you're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now again, these are 2 spoilers that Elizabeth Wolf found. So I found them on Elizabeth's channel. She found them on Instagram, but wherever it was that she found them, they did not leave a source. So these could be just rumors, or guys, it could be like some kind of inside information, who knows. But I would be very excited to see these in a future box. And y'all can tell me what you think after I show you what we found. So again, I'm going to leave Elizabeth's channel linked down below. Elizabeth goes into details. She gives a really good description of products and everything. So if you want to hear her opinion on them, I'll link the video down below for you to go see. So the first thing is the Marc Jacobs Omega Coconut Perfect Tan Bronzer. Now, I could only find 2 shades, and these are valued at $49. So I found the shade Tantastic, which is the lighter one, and then the shade Tantalize, which is for darker skin tones. Now these are neutral bronzers, so I think they would work absolutely perfectly. I don't like too much warmth in my bronzer. Now for my contour, I absolutely have to have a cool tone shade for it to look like a shadow on my skin tone. A very light shade. I don't like using nothing too dark. But as far as the bronzer goes, you know, there could be a little bit of warmth to it, but I can't have it looking too orange because it just looks crazy on me. So I think that Tantastic shade right there, the lighter one, would look absolutely perfect. That is like the perfect bronzer that I've seen, at least for my skin tone. Now everybody's different. Other thing, guys, these have got a pretty good size to them. You've seen Marc Jacobs bronzers and highlighters and stuff like that. They're really big. So I'd be excited to see these in a box. Now the next spoiler that was found, or possible spoiler, is the Marc Jacobs Glow Away Bronzing Coconut Body Stick. Now as far as the shade wise on these, I've only found 3 shades. Again, there could be more, and these are valued at $39. I have found the shade Tantastic, Tantric, as well as Tantalize. Now the Tantastic and Tantalize is the glow stick version of the Omega bronzers up there, because they're the same shade name. It's Tantastic and Tantalize. So again, very neutral tones. I think would absolutely look beautiful for a bronzer. Tantric, that is a nice medium tone. I really do like it. Now again, these are bronzers for your body, so I think it's absolutely beautiful. You know, I use a lot of liquid bronzer and it ends up staining my fingers and everything else. So I do love when I see something like this because it's kind of mess free. And you know, as far as highlighting and bronzing like on your collarbone and stuff like that, I don't really do that a lot. But I mean, it is a nice option. I know there are people, they like to bronze their neck, as well as if they got shorts on or something, they just want a quick bronzer. I think this would be perfect. It'd be quick. And again, there's no mess. I've never had a bronzer body stick, but I would like to try one. Just, you know, get away from these liquid bronzers, because you know what? I always end up fighting with them and then I lose. But again, guys, these are not confirmed, and there is no source to where these were found. Again, I found them on Elizabeth's channel, and I'm going to link that video down below if you want a better description of these products. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else or confirm anything, I'll let you guys know. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. Let me know what you think about these two products down below. Would you like to see them in future boxes? And of course, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Alicia Gilmore 58. Alicia says, "You're the sweetest voice of the beauty community. Stay up, girl." Well, Alicia, honey, thank you so much. That just makes me smile, and I just couldn't be more grateful. Those of you that are true supporters of mine, I absolutely love you guys. You are the best. And I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you gotta leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. And then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And guys, again, as for my life update and everything, you know, I have some of it filmed, but I want to add some more parts to it that I have forgotten about. I always dread putting one of these updates out because I get so much hate about it. But I know there are those of you that are true supporters that love to keep up with what's going on in my personal life. So guys, just know that I am working on that. And I'll be uploading it. And I'll have it up before the weekend's out, guys. And again, I love you guys so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. Guys, I'm editing, and I did find a couple more spoilers on Instagram. First of all, let me say during editing, I didn't realize how bad my mic sounds. So I do apologize for that. I need to see what's wrong with it. But guys, I've got two more spoilers that I just found right before I started to edit. So the first one is the Milk Makeup Kush High Volume Mascara, which looks like an amazing mascara. Now, I know we got that one Kush, what was it, the brow gel, I believe. But this is the mascara. And then I also seen the Milk Makeup Kush Grow House Lash and Brow Serum. Now again, these are not confirmed, but they are rumored to be coming in some future boxes. So let me know what you think about these two new items that I just found as well.